Remember the first time you saw an electric car? It felt like something out of a science fiction movie. Today, electric vehicles, or EVs, are cruising down streets everywhere. They're sleek, they're quiet, and they're changing the way we think about transportation. But here's the thing about EVs. They need juice, just like our phones and laptops. That's where home EV charging comes in. It's like having your own personal gas station right in your garage. And let me tell you, the latest advancements in home charging technology are about to blow your mind. We're talking faster charging times, smarter energy management, and a whole lot of convenience. So buckle up as we dive into the world of cutting-edge home EV charging systems and explore how they're powering us towards a cleaner, greener future. Get ready to discover how these systems work, why they matter, and how they can electrify your life. Okay, so you've got your electric vehicle. That's awesome. Now let's talk about how to keep it powered up and ready to roll. Just like your phone needs a charger, your EV needs a charging station. But not all charging stations are created equal. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a snail mail carrier to send an urgent message, right? You'd use email or text. Similarly, different EV chargers offer different speeds and features. The standard level 1 charger that comes with your car is like the snail mail. It gets the job done, but it can be slow. Level 2 chargers are more like email. They're much faster and can juice up your car overnight. But for the ultimate charging experience, we're talking about DC fast chargers. These are like instant messages for your car, delivering a quick burst of energy to get you back on the road in no time. Let's talk about smart chargers, the geniuses of the EV charging world. These aren't your average plug-and-play devices. Smart chargers are like the conductors of an orchestra, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They connect to your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing them to communicate with your car and the electric grid. This means they can optimize charging times and even save you money on your electricity bill. Imagine this. You plug in your car after work, and the smart charger automatically starts charging when electricity rates are lowest, like during off-peak hours. No more wasting money on expensive peak hour charging. Plus, smart chargers can track your charging history, provide insights into your energy usage, and even help you find public charging stations on the go. Talk about a brain boost for your charging experience. Ready to experience the need for speed? DC fast chargers are the superheroes of the EV charging universe. They deliver a high-powered jolt of energy directly to your car's battery, bypassing the onboard charger and significantly reducing charging time. While level 2 chargers might take several hours to fully charge your car, DC fast chargers can get you from 20% to 80% in under an hour, depending on your car's battery capacity. Think of it like this. You're on a road trip and need a quick energy boost. You wouldn't want to stop for hours at a time, right? DC fast chargers are like the quick pit stops that get you back on the road in a flash. They're perfect for long journeys or when you need a quick top-up to reach your destination. With DC fast charging, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Section 5. Inductive charging. The future is wireless. Get ready to cut the cord because inductive charging is about to revolutionize the EV charging game. Imagine this. You pull into your garage and your car starts charging automatically, without any cables or plugs. That's the magic of inductive charging. It uses electromagnetic fields to transfer energy wirelessly from a charging pad on the ground to a receiver coil on the underside of your car. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's becoming a reality. Inductive charging offers ultimate convenience and eliminates the hassle of cables. Plus, it's safer and more weather-resistant than traditional plug-in charging. While still in its early stages, inductive charging is rapidly evolving and poised to become the future of EV charging. Get ready to experience the freedom of wireless charging. Section 6. Solar-powered charging, harnessing the sun's energy. What if you could charge your electric vehicle using the power of the sun? With solar-powered charging, you can. This eco-friendly option allows you to harness renewable energy from the sun to power your rides. By installing solar panels on your roof, you can generate clean electricity that can be used to charge your EV. It's like having a mini power plant right on top of your house. Solar-powered charging not only reduces your carbon footprint, but can also save you money on your electricity bill in the long run. You're essentially using free energy from the sun to fuel your car. Plus, some solar charging systems come equipped with battery storage, allowing you to store excess solar energy for later use. even at night or during power outages. Talk about a bright idea for a sustainable future. Section 7, Vehicle-to-Grid or V2G technology, powering your home with your car. Imagine a world where your car isn't just a means of transportation but also a crucial part of your home's energy system. This is the promise of vehicle-to-grid technology, or V2G for short. Hold on to your hats, because vehicle-to-grid technology is about to turn the EV charging game on its head. This isn't just about charging your car anymore. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship between your vehicle and your home. V2G allows your electric vehicle to become a two-way energy storage system, meaning it can not only draw power from the grid, but also send it back. Imagine your car as a dynamic energy hub, capable of both receiving and supplying power as needed. Think of it like this. Your car's battery becomes a giant power bank for your home. This means that during times when your home needs extra power, your car can step in and provide that energy, ensuring that your household runs smoothly. During peak hours when electricity demand is high, your car can discharge stored energy back to the grid, helping to stabilize the grid and prevent blackouts. This is particularly useful during times of high energy consumption, such as hot summer days when air conditioners are running non-stop. This not only benefits you by potentially lowering your electricity costs, but also contributes to a more resilient and reliable energy grid for everyone. By participating in V2G, you're not just saving money, you're also playing a part in creating a more sustainable and efficient energy system. V2G technology is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy storage and grid management. As more electric vehicles hit the road and more homes adopt this technology, the impact could be monumental. Get ready for a future where your car powers your home. Imagine a world where power outages are a thing of the past, and your car is a key player in your home's energy ecosystem. The future of energy is here, and it's electrifying. Section 8. The future of EV charging, a seamless experience. Fasten your seatbelts because the future of EV charging is all about convenience, intelligence, and integration. Imagine a world where finding a charging station is as easy as finding a parking spot. With the rapid expansion of charging infrastructure, that vision is becoming a reality. Public charging stations are popping up everywhere, from shopping malls and restaurants to workplaces and apartment complexes. But it goes beyond just availability. The future of EV charging is about creating a seamless and integrated experience. Smart charging networks will allow you to reserve charging slots in advance, monitor charging progress remotely, and even pay for charging sessions automatically through integrated payment systems. No more fumbling with credit cards or membership passes. The future of EV charging is all about making your life easier and more convenient. Section 9. Embrace the electric revolution. The electric revolution is here, and it's time to embrace the future of transportation. Electric vehicles are no longer a novelty. They're a viable and increasingly popular option for drivers of all kinds. With their sleek designs, impressive performance, and environmental benefits, EVs are transforming the way we think about getting from point A to point B. But the transition to electric mobility goes beyond just the cars themselves. It requires a shift in infrastructure, technology, and mindset. The advancements in home EV charging technology we've explored are playing a crucial role in this transformation. By making EV charging faster, smarter, and more convenient, these systems are breaking down barriers and making electric vehicle ownership more accessible than ever before. Section 10. Join the movement towards a sustainable future. As we've explored the exciting world of EV home charging technology, one thing is clear: the future of mobility is electric. By embracing electric vehicles and the innovative charging solutions that power them, we're not just choosing a mode of transportation, we're choosing a cleaner, greener future for our planet. Every electric mile driven is a step towards reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and combating climate change. The advancements in home EV charging technology are empowering individuals to become active participants in this sustainable revolution. By making the switch to electric mobility and harnessing the power of innovation, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come. So, are you ready to join the movement?